That is filthy in there. Hi folks, and welcome back. Well, the weather has changed, it's winter frosty, so unfortunately this will be the last lot of mechanics until spring. I want to get this old piece of exhaust off, and then it's time for the engine swap. There's an exhaust gasket in there as well, so that will need to come out. And we've got loads more dirt. There's a tiny bit still left. Excellent. Well, that's that done. So I still need exhaust studs, but I'll come back to them. Okay folks, I'll get some help for the next stage. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm alright, how's you?
Oh, there to go.
I've undone all the main bolts. Well, there's no nuts on them, so they just need to be pulled out. And it's a straight swap over.
Right.
Huh?
Right. Right good.
There's 4 altogether.
One at the back here. And that one. Should be through to you, is it? Oh, kinda thought about one. Oh, there he goes. That's it. That's that one. Right, that bottom one there. That should just pull out, is it? The front here.
Yeah,
Right, this
where
one.
your hand
Yeah,
is.
that one is. That one just came out. And there's one at the back. This is usually the tight one. There he goes. There we go. Right then. I'm not being funny. We'll need to take these clamps off the front here. Slide that forward if we can. Just ease it gently up again. Right. Two to there. Pass it forward a wee bit. That's it. Right. Now you need to ease the sump up onto the frame. So if we can get rid of that triangle bit, that's just to lift the sump over there. It'll be easier coming that way towards us.
Yeah.
If we get that triangle bit off. That's a hard bit. I'll go around that side, you just hold her steady. There we go. We have an engine. Right, get a grip somewhere. Switching that up over the other engine. Right, we go. Not really. Get another grip one. Right, there you go. Just your fingers. I would love to, but I could. There we go.
Well done, brilliant.
There's your engine.
No, I think it's possibly designed to come out from fucking that side, looking at it.
But I took the brake lever off deliberately to make it easier for you.
That had to go that way because we'd have never get it cleared of that lad. That should sit in there one side. Right, you just hold that end out and lift it over again. Okay. That's it. Right. Still got to come to here first. Need that bracket back on the eye. Aye, yeah. Line up the holes. Get them in finger tight. Nope. Right. One see the bottom roll in there.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, we can swap them over. All I want to do is get the fucking things stabilised.
Wearing it on the engine while I try and do it is probably a bad idea. Oh, that's not it.
Close. Go and just wiggle it. That's
Yeah.
it.
Catching on an edge there, I think.
Just wiggle it through. Yeah. There you are. Oh, there you are. Right, just stick the washer in and up, not perfect. That fits. Right. Get the bolt and I'll lift the front. That's you. Put this in to give it a wiggle to it. Why it's corrosion and shite. Lumps of crap.
Aye, because it was.
Look at that, all the shite of the day. Need to clean that fucking head. Look at that.
Here.
Shite come out. Here. Hard fucking crappy stuff. We've got a bit of grease in that though.
Yeah, I can finish it off from here. That's fantastic.
See that fits. You've got the washer there to go into if you want.
Yeah, you've done the hard bit for me. Thank you so much.
Dodo.
Way.
It's funny once you get things lined up.
Yeah.
Once one's in, you know you're fucking on your way.
Happy days.
Oh, so
That's why I put the mask to. Do you want another cuppa? Just to warm up. It's a wee bit chilly now.
absolutely beautiful.
Okay folks, and that's a big job done and a huge step forward. So I'll put it all back together as the weather allows. And as I said earlier, folks, I'll be back in spring. It's just a short winter break. I'm looking forward to next year. And I'll have an update on both projects for you. So until then, I hope you've enjoyed, folks, and all the best. Special thanks to my patrons for all your support this year. You're awesome. Ride safe, and thanks for watching.